P99 shooter here. Hope you're all doing well. I've got something a little bit different today. This is a shotgun of mine, Harrington Richardson Model 980 Ultra Slug. Break action, single shot, very no frills, kind of a hunting shotgun. Up top is a Redfield Revolution 2-7 by 33. Great scope, paired well with this shotgun. And I got it about, I don't know, it was about 9 years ago, something like that. And when I got it, though there were several different options that Harrington Richardson offered in terms of the furniture, I just ended up going with the plain Jane kind of walnut look. It's okay. It's just kind of milquetoast and boring. There are other options out there. I thought about maybe having it knurled or checkered, but So instead, I thought I'd do something with this. Should be kind of fun. I never thought I'd do an unboxing video. This is going to actually be my first, but I thought it might be kind of fun. We can want to open it together and see what it looks like. Seal has been broken. Shipping info here. Let's remove this box here. So obviously it's going to be the handguard. Whoa. This is a coyote wood laminate with scale checkering on the side. That looks really cool. It feels nice. It's grippy, but not grippy like the diamond checkering. That's really nice. Let's take a look at the stock. I decided not to go with traditional stock. I went with what's called the sterling. Like that. Thumbhole stock. Wow. That's really cool. And as of course, it is a lefty. I've seen very few videos showing a left-hand stock. Thumbhole stocks, I've only seen one or two, so they're not too common, but for me this will work. Already got the Boyd's recoil pad already installed. I'm really hoping without doing any magna porting or porting to the barrel, this will help mitigate some of the recoil, which is quite stout. And if you've got back problems or shoulder problems, it is very comfortable. If you got back problems or shoulder problems, it should definitely help. I already got a swivel stud in there, and I'll probably basically spare you all the actual installation of it, or I could do it in a separate video. But I just wanted to show you what the pair will look like together. I think it should be pretty nice. Well, let's get this thrown on here. It's basically one screw on the bottom, remove the handguard, and then a screw down on the stock. So let's take a look in here. There was another aspect here that I feel warranted mentioning, is that I didn't really catch it right off the bat, but the new handguard is about 2 1/4 inches shorter than the original walnut. Not a big deal, except that I had to move the sling swivel stud back a little bit more, but it still doesn't impede my hand when firing. And we had to drill a couple new pilot holes in the end of the handguard for this device here. Which is called the 4-end spacer, and it rides, the round part rides right about where the pivot point is, where you break the action open for loading and unloading. But drill a couple pilot holes, measure twice, drill once, was not a problem. Well, here you go. Here is the end result. I think it came out pretty nice. This is the Sterling Thumbhole stock by Boyd's Gun Stocks. The wood color was called Coyote, and the scale checkering is absolutely great. They offered a couple different kinds of checkering patterns. I think it's really classy. If you like this video, please like, share, consider subscribing. I got some more projects coming down the pipe in the near future. And thanks for stopping by. This is P99 Shooter. Have a great day, everybody.